how to remove a participant from a Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can remove a particular participant from a Microsoft Teams meeting. So if you wish to remove someone from the meeting, then all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So first, when you are inside the Microsoft Teams meeting interface, you will see a UI like this. Now, in this particular section, the first thing that you got to do is click onto this People tab right here at the top. Now, once you click onto this People tab, it will show you the list of all of the participants that are present in the meeting. So now, in order to remove someone, so for example, let's say if I want to remove this random guy right here, I can simply tap and hover onto them and click onto these three dots. And once I will do this, I will see this particular menu, and in this menu the last option is remove from meeting. So simply click onto this, and now you can see that this particular person has been successfully removed from the meeting. So that's how easily you can remove someone from a Microsoft Teams meeting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.